Hey guys, an update on the S&P 500. So from the April low, I don't know what I said in my last video, but from the April low, this could be a potential 1, 2, and then somewhere here we finish the third. It's just so difficult to count any like clear wave structure on the S&P 500. That's why I try to zoom in and stay just focused on like always the last pushes. For example, from here I could count 5 waves up, and then this was obviously corrective to me. We had fib targets then from here for potentially a wave 3, and we met the minimum target exactly, and we started, whoa, wait, never mind, we need to focus on this green tree. We met the 618 almost on the dollar. First we met exactly the minimum target, then we had the internal wave 4 in my opinion, and then yeah, last week we finished this fifth then. I could have known better that this was maybe gonna happen. I was too much focused on maybe this being a 1-2, 1-2, and then we're gonna extend in the fifth, but extension in the fifth, you don't see that a lot, and inside then this fifth you could count 5 waves even if it's a diagonal pattern. So I could have played this a little bit better myself by selling a little bit here and I'm buying more here, but okay, it happened. Lesson learned. Next time better awareness, hopefully. I had this point of control here now for this range, but I don't think we're gonna get there. Wave 4 we did not hit the 618, and I think we're gonna bounce. And I say this a little bit with confidence because of Bitcoin. Bitcoin from the highs here, all-time high, yeah, if you want to count this as a 1-2, 1-2 maybe. This is your third highest volume. Then I draw this, then I drew or did draw this 618 here, taken from this high to then the low here, and I have my alarm on that. It looks like we're gonna hit it, and in my opinion, if we hit it, we invalidate this being a 1, 2, 3, 4 because your wave 4 went too high. Of course, if you want to be more certain, we could then say maybe, okay, this is your 1, this is your 2, and let's measure the 618 from there, like this. And then we could say, okay, maybe 16,765. If we hit that, we would have even more certainty that this is not going to be an impulse to the downside, because we have the 618 to touch. Knowing this, and I think we're going to hit it, maybe if the stock, like the S&P 500, opens in like half an hour, or maybe just tomorrow, we'll see. I'm following that, but seeing how well crypto, especially then Ethereum, Bitcoin, recovered, I think stock's gonna do good tomorrow as well. And yeah, 4-hour RSI oversold. Like, you've reached this low in August, and then yeah, in April, and that's it since a very long time. So also then in line with, yeah, for example, Novo, okay, this is not on the Nasdaq. I don't know if this is on the S&P 500, but I expect here a move to the upside. ASML, I expect still this fifth. SoFi, I expect still this fifth. JD looked like a nice 5 favor, still expect higher. Baidu, still expect higher. but we also expected corrections here, so that's why I'm saying like I should have anticipated a little bit better Friday, the dump, because yeah, Baidu, JD, ASML, they all were asking for this wave 4, and yeah, we got it. Together with then this, I should have done this a little bit better, but next time hopefully. But yeah, okay, I'm talking already way too much, but I'm just excited for tomorrow. Yeah, QBD, I didn't do a video yet, but also it has to turn now, and maybe it's time for it tomorrow. Let's see. So yeah, I'm really curious for tomorrow. Can't wait. Also here, yeah, we had the 886 touch from the high. So also here you can see clear 3-wave move, 3-wave up, and then yeah, A, B, dump, and C, very deep C, but we did hit the 86. In my opinion, more likely that this is a B wave instead of a wave 2. And then yeah, also the 3-wave nature here, suggesting to me we're gonna go one more time to the upside, and then this would be complete as well. We don't have overlap here. We didn't hit the 618, but we need to go up. As soon as this opens in a little bit, 30 minutes, it needs to go up. Also, okay, this is the peace deal. It might happen, like it's going good. Tomorrow we will have hostages released, etc. So generally just good news. Come on. This. So he dumped the crypto market Friday, and now he's already saying, was miscommunication, blah, blah, blah. We want to help China, blah, blah, blah. So they initially canceled their meeting they would have in 2 weeks. I think the meeting will continue maybe if you read this. So if that news comes in, it would be even more bullish. Let's see tomorrow, but considering this as well, it looks good. I'm gonna follow this page because it's a bit important. So yeah, I talked a bit about everything, but hope this helped you. Hope you survived Friday, and let's see. Might be a good week. I hope so. Bye bye.